try this. Should I tell you the truth?
Okay.
You look perfect, I tell you.
Thank you.
Oh my god. I never knew it would suit you so well.
That's so
Okay.
they seem fine.
The thing is, as from today, I don't want to see you on this, okay? Let me drop it here.
So I will be wearing only this thing.
Yes, I want you to be a responsible husband, I tell you. So this looks perfect on you. Yes. That is it. Very perfect. Can you give me some steps? Oh, that is it. That is it. That is it. Perfect. 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 Oh my god. You will be a wonderful husband, I tell you. But till then, we're rocking this. Let me say something. Once you wash it, I don't want to see you wearing this or anything related to this, okay? I can give you wrapper to tie. Once it's dried, you can go pick it and wear it. I want to see you only on this, I tell you.
Anything for you.
Okay?
As far as you accept my proposal.
I will accept. Okay? Okay, Flex.
Hey, my sweetie pie.
How are you?
I am fine.
The thing is, I have something I want to tell you.
Eh?
Sorry, I want to show you something instead.
This is what this girl they do like warm. I bet she dey in the mood to do something with me.
Yeah?
Nothing.
Okay. Can we go inside? What I want to show you is special.
You want to take me to the room? You want to take me to the room?
Yes.
I am coming with you right away.
Come. Drop it. But you have to close your eyes.
I will close my eyes.
Yes.
No problem.
Okay. Careful. 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 That way. Perfect. Yes, yes. Perfect. That is it. Let's go. Yes. Gently. 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 Let's go. Yes. 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 Don't open your eyes, okay?
Okay.
Surprise!
What is this? Now the surprise with this?
No! I have told you whenever you want to talk, you have to talk like me. What is wrong with you?
Okay. Is this a surprise?
Yes. Look at it.
Hey?
Isn't it amazing?
No, be our neighbor. Is this not our neighbor's clothes?
Yes. This is our neighbor's clothes from downstairs. The thing is, I want to train you to become a good husband material, I tell you. 100 yards. Don't you like it?
So you want me to wash them?
No, I will wash them. Of course you will wash them. I thought you said you love me. You will have to do that. I am trying to train you.
Hey!
My choo-choo. I know you love me, my naughty.
See, I'm only... Sorry. I'm only doing this because of love.
Yes, I know you love me. I know you can do it. My naughty. You're such a naughty. Okay, go ahead.
Ordinary small love, a person, the love person now.
Yeah?
Nothing.
That is it. You can do it. You can do it.
Ordinary small love, a person, they love you now, they shove around like this. So.
My Flex, I have something I want to tell you.
Okay, go ahead. Go ahead, tell me.
Should I say it?
Okay, go ahead. I am listening.
Should I say it?
Go ahead. Don't be shy. Don't be shy, my love.
Okay. I am so horny.
You said what?
I said I am very, very horny.
Okay, no problem. No problem at all. I am here. I am right here. I can satisfy you.
Nahi. I said nahi. I will go out and look for a man that will satisfy me.
Why?
Because I haven't accepted your proposal, okay? So whatever I want to do, I will go out and do it. Okay?
I can do any other thing that any man can do.
I said nahi, I don't want you, okay? Namaste. Honey bunny.
Ganga,
Yeah?
this is not right at all. It is very, very wrong. You know right. Forget English. You know right. This is not right. Me, I get what you define. Now, even my waist now don't block because they don't do what a poor. Which kind of wahala be that? Hey! You go buy coat for me. You can't call and suit. Make I just do alright. I agree. Now, nothing still dey come out. You never see I agree for my proposal.
Okay, you can come in.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Come. I am going inside to enjoy myself, okay? Please make sure you don't disturb my peace.
Hey!
Okay? Say hi to him.
Hey, what's up?
What's up? What's up? No, you just come up for your house. They go carry you come this house now. You gree come. They tell you say I no be man. They tell you say this is not the work. Make I tell you, no be my sister. We dey the same house together. She suppose dey give me make I dey do my key work for gree for. They go carry you come. You agree?
Not my fault. Now me tell you speaking in last for 2 minutes.
Let's
He even gree give me before I go last 2 minutes.
go. Come.
He gree give me before na 2 minutes I go even last. You go carry person wey get PS before because of say I no get PS.
Hey!
Nahi. Yes. Perfect. That is it. You touched the right place, I tell you. My choo-choo. Nahi. That is it. Yes. Perfect. Yes. Anand Kishore. Nahi. I like it, I tell you. I am enjoying it. Thank you for this wonderful.
It was awesome, Abi. It was awesome. It will be some. It is some.
What is the problem?
They challenge me, Abi.
No,
No,
I'm
it is-
just asking, what's the problem?
You dey challenge me, Abi. See, 1-on-1 again, 2x2 again, àwọn ọmọ owó bè again. Máa fún ẹ ń gbà tí.
Better sound, Joe. Because I dey do jetu. Wetin dey do you? Ma gba ni.
Ẹ
Do you know the difference between this and this?
You want to fight me?
Eh? I give you Lashipoto.
You want to
give you Nochina.
You want to fight me?
Nochina.
You want to fight me in my house? You want to fight me from my house? Too late, yo. Okay, too late.
Me?
I said too late.
Ah.
Too late.
Do you know the difference between this and this? This is Lashipoto.
Wait for me. Where is it? Ma, use mark and mark your head.